Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you are having a great summer and excited about fall. Today I'm jumping to show you a very exciting brand new collection called Birthday Collection. Why? Because tomorrow is my birthday and there's no better way to release a brand new collection celebrating with you. So if you love all things seasonal, if you love use seasonal stickers to decorate your planner, to the washi tape to decorate your planner, and if you love some coloring book, definitely want to stick around because I'm going to show you what this collection all about. So in this seasonal, in this birthday collection, I also call it seasonal collection. We have 4 seasonal sticker packs. We have 4 sets of seasonal washi tapes and 1 brand new Rongrong physical coloring book. I have been wanting to have a coloring book forever and I'm so glad I made it happen. Spent a little time, not much, just about 50 hours to draw all the black and white outline. And finally I make it happen. And ta-da, here it is. Rongrong Girls coloring book. This is a 20-page black and white coloring book. And it filled with all my favorite fashion illustrations. And I think this is great for some self-care. It's great for family activity. You can color with your family and friends. Or if you just want to get better at drawing, you can definitely color away. And I'm gonna show you what's inside shortly. So we also have 4 seasonal sticker pack. We have Summer Bloom, which is we have the Spring Bloom, which is all about spring. We have Summer Fun, which is all about the summer, all about the palm trees, the leisure, the relaxation, I guess. And then this is Hello Fall, which is the season we are going, and all about the cozy, all about the pumpkin. So excited to show you all of this. And then last but not least, we have the Winterland, which is the mystery winter. Those washi, it come with like a bundle. So bundle of 2. One is feature all my girls. The other one is featuring the icons like the pumpkin, the sweater, the boots, apples, and pumpkin spice latte. So, and that's the same with other 3 seasons. So overview, I can show you what's in there. I hope you're excited as me. Okay, first let's take a look at this Fashion Girls coloring book. The story behind this book is I have digital coloring book for a while, but I always have a physical. I couldn't figure out where do I find the paper that doesn't bleed when I use markers. But I feel like I just need to spend some time to get this figured out. And I spent some time this summer to find a good factory, and I'm really pleased with the quality. So the cover is like a matte velvet finish. So when you feel it, it's very soft. I think you can even cut it up and make some sort of cards. So this 20-page of coloring book is, again, with some seasonal stuff, but you also find a lot of just everyday life pages. Like for example, this one, Always Better Together, Girl with Brunch Together, Say Yes to Opportunity. This one is Girl in Santorini. So it really takes me a long time to draw each single outline from my original illustration. But I think it's totally worth it because I just love what it come out. So I think you will be very happy to just take an afternoon to color. If you don't want to do anything, just put on audiobook or YouTube, just color away. Like for example, this one, Pink Pumpkin, super fall, and with this page, will definitely get you into the fall mood. This one's Boss, Eat, Sleep, Plan. This one is a girl, wintry girl in front of all sorts of like New York City buildings. This one, I'll be there for you, inspired by friends. This is some Christmas stuff. Again, it's a mix with seasonal and everyday life. Like this one is winter. So all 20 pages are in the back. And that's what this coloring book looks like. So just for testing, I even did some coloring myself. Like I did some coloring for this pumpkin page, and as you can see in the back, completely white. So there's no bleed through, so which is something I'm really happy about. Moving on for next washi, I have this 8 washi tape that I come out summer, spring, summer, winter, and fall. So when you see them online, you will see this is a set of 2, a bundle of 2, and this is the label. That's what it come, and then this is what the rollout looks like. I even add some rose gold foil in the background for you to just add a little bit luxury in the back. So this is what it looks like. I am again super happy with the look. And let's see the most exciting part. I mean, maybe to a lot of people, you are here for the stickers. So I am going to show you based on the season. So I'm going to show you the spring. So this is the planner sticker pack, which comes from 12, which come with 12 sheets. So the difference from this collection to my last collection is that I actually increased the paper from 8 to 12. So before you have 8 page, now you have 12. So how cool is that? 12 pages. So this is the first 2 are paper. So there's some box, some washi, and some tracker, and some just like girls. I see those as art, like a mini art portfolio for you. So because each drawing really, it takes me 5-6 hours to do. And I really want you to see all the details, just see this as a piece of art instead of a sticker. So this page, you get 2 of each page, same design, but the difference is the girls has different hair color and skin tones. So to make it more diverse, which is something my brand represents. And this is the St. Patrick's Day girl and the girl in polka dot. I don't know why, but during spring, I just want to wear something polka dot. And this is the lemon girl. I want a dress like that. And then you also have 4 page that's all like the elements. I think a lot of you also like my drawing the small stuff, small elements. So I make them into the sticker sheets as well. You see, this is, you get 2 page, 4 page total. So you have enough. My goal is for you to have enough stickers to plan to last during the whole season. And I think you will, because there's hundreds of stickers total. So you get 12 sheets for $16.99, which is just about over $1 per sheet. I think it's super good deal. That's something I work hard to do to make sure it's affordable and it's good deal. So for the summer, you also have the same 2 sheets of planner papers, and you have some art box, you have some tracker, and some washi. And this is the summer girl lined up, Rose in the USA, a little bit more luxury looking. I don't know why, but she just gave me those luxury look. And then some girl in the palm tree. Yeah, when I think about summer, it's all about the palm tree, all about the poolside, and all about just leisure. That's 2 girl, and then this is another 2 sheets, again with different, same design but different color, so you can use different color for your different spread, because sometimes you have pink seam or green seam, and this is the elements. And yeah, really get you into the summer mood. So this is the summer. I'm going to move away. And then now I'm going to show you the fall. That's what we all excited about. I am, at least, because I'm in Houston and it's brutal here. So first 2 page is apple picking, some Halloween, some Thanksgiving. You just sit in the house, read. This is the fashion girls day out, girls day, and then here's their pumpkin, and there's some boxes, tracker, and then the washi. Again, we have the elements here. And you have 2 sheets. The girls with the latte, you have some Halloween outfit, you have apple, pumpkin, and then some fashion, fall fashion. And then you have the girls together. I want to make sure you have some girls together, but you also have some single girls as well. This girl, cozy season, thankful, be grateful. So this is like, November kind of style. And this is the Halloween style. I would love a green hair, please. And then, yeah, I think that's the other element page. So essentially you have 2 page of the paper, you have 6 page of the girls, and you have 4 page of the elements. I know it's a little, because I would just finish showing to another group, and that's why. And then my table isn't really collaborative. So that's the fall. And then we have winter. Winter, when I think about winter, it's all about the mystery, the ice, the snow, everybody staying. And I'm going to show you from the beginning. So you have 2 sheets of paper, and you have this rise and grind. You have cheers to beginning, that's New Year's Eve. And then you have some snow ski, and then you have Christmas and some more Christmas shopping. Over here some washi, and let me show you. Next you have some elements. You have elements, all these holiday-ish elements that I hand draw. Again, all takes a long time hand draw on paper, and then I edit in the iPad. But the original is all on the paper, so you can, if you get closer, you can see all kinds of details. And this is the girls' holiday, go to ski with different hair and skin color difference. And this is the holiday girls. And this is the wintry girl, because I really want you to use this pack not just for holiday, but you, after like January, February, still can use it for some heavy snow days. So, yep. So again, 2 sheets of paper, and then you have 6 sheets of girls and 4 sheets of elements for all these sticker packs. So that's the lined up. Here you have fall, and you have some spring and summer. I'm going to show you again. And then you have some washi over here, and then the coloring book. So that's the whole collection. I've been working on this collection for a few months, but I really love how everything turned out. I think you will really enjoy them too. You can see everything on my website, launched today. So if you click the link, you are able to grab something if you like, or take a deeper look, see what I have in store for you. So again, happy birthday to me, and I can't wait to celebrate with you too. Thank you so much, everyone. I will see you next time. Bye.